Hello everyone, I'm Danielle.
I'm Krista.
We are the Seattleite of Love. Today we are doing a park visit because we haven't done one in like a week and a half.
Well, and it's sunny, so even though it's very cold because it's still February, it is sunny, so it's acceptable park weather.
Yep, we are going to be doing the Shoreview and Boeing Creek Trail. We're going to be doing specifically the Hidden Lake Path. There we go. The Hidden Lake Path, which is about a half-mile hike. And yeah, we'll check in as we go along. We'll let you know how we're doing. And hopefully you'll get to enjoy this as much as we do.
Yay!
If not, while you're watching this, when you come and see it for yourself. Right?
Exactly.
These woods open to all until 6 p.m. when this park officially closes. Though if it's sunset, if sunset is before 6 p.m., it closes before sunset. Or before 6.
So do you have your handle on which way we need to go?
Yeah, we're going to go this way until we intersect the trail, and then we're going to go left. Handy markers so you know where you're at and where you're going. We're going to Hidden Lake, 0.4 miles. And we wanted to go that way, we get more into Boeing Creek Park. Evidently, proper Boeing Creek Park is 0.3 miles. Onward and forward. That's pretty steep.
You can see the creek down there.
Yeah. Does not seem to be dried up currently.
Really far down.
How far down?
I'm not a good estimator. I said really far down. I don't know the number.
Hey Krista.
Yeah.
Here's some of that sun that you were talking about.
Good thing I brought my sunglasses.
Oh, aren't you the prepared one? I left my
sunglasses.
I left them in the car because I thought that we'd be in the woods primarily.
Well, it's uncomfortably cold. It's 37 degrees outside, according to our trusty Chevy Malibu. So it's a good thing I have many layers on, and it's nice that there's a little bit of sun.
I myself am wearing 2 layers and no sunglasses.
Well, you were made for this weather. I was not. I was made to live in Hawaii.
Because sometimes you gotta be a baller.
Are you trying to say I'm not a baller?
So Krista, this is our first time at this park, yeah?
Yes, I have never been here before. One of my coworkers mentioned it to me as a nice little park with some trails, which it is. What about you?
No, I've never been here before. I've been to Shoreline Community College, which is really close to here.
I've never been there either.
Well, you know me, I have this thing about community colleges. I don't know why.
You have to visit them?
I have to visit them. I'm a little weird about that. I like college campuses. Community colleges in particular are kind of extra intriguing to me. Anyway, that's beyond the point. We're here to walk down a trail. Ain't that right?
Yes.
So we're gonna keep on doing that. We have found blackberry bushes.
Invasive species, it's not hard to find them.
I like blackberry bushes.
Wow. I need blackberries, but they take over.
Well,
It's not good.
so what's more irritating to you? Blackberries, Krista, or Scotch broom?
Well, they're both invasive species, and we've spotted both of them in this park, and they're both bad for the natural ecosystem here because they're invasive and they take over.
What? Okay.
Whoa!
Sorry. Have to interrupt. Hidden Lake. Damn, that's a nice reveal.
Yeah. Oh, look at the birds. I thought it was just gonna be like a little pond, like whatever.
Let's go down and look.
The color is kind of beautiful because there's a lot of shadow, but you can see like some green and blue peeking through because of the sunlight.
Yeah.
Probably would be a lot more boring on a cloudy day, but on a sunny day it's kind of pretty.
beautiful lake. Small lake. I would actually consider this more of a pond.
Yeah,
But look at the ducks.
it's small, but I think it's more impressive from above. I remember learning recently the difference between a lake and a pond, but and I think it was something more than just size.
I think it, like, water has to flow into it to be a lake. Something like that. I don't remember. Any other thoughts you would like to share?
It's just very peaceful. Whoever lives in that house is pretty lucky.
Prime real estate, that. Hello, people. Hello, ducks.
Nice place for a summer barbecue. Ducks are enjoying the sunshine.
Oh, let's get a close up on the duck. Well, there you have it. Ducks on a hidden lake. Brought to you live, pseudo live, from the Seattleite of Love. So we're walking along a creek now.
The creek that we looked down upon earlier.
So,
we're pretty far down from where we started.
indeed, low branches included. See, low branch. Found a precarious path. But look how pretty that is. Probably shouldn't be recording while navigating this. But you know what? You only fall into a creek as many times as you can. Oh, I made it without getting my feet wet. Yeah, Krista did it! Krista, you did it! Yay! Neither of us fell into a creek. Alright, I didn't record it because I didn't want to drop anything, but we came from all the way over there, and all this part of the trail is washed out.
Trail is like, it's a trail.
Yeah, it's washed out in the air quotes trail, and now we have actual stepping stones. All right. Krista, you did it again. Not today, Creek. Not today. So, we are having to take a detour. It would appear that our path has completely washed out. So I'm going to show you what that complete washout looks like. Down there, entire trail is washed out. So we're taking a path detour to get to where we need to go. Krista's taking pictures of plaques and snow, which is cool. All right.
How you doing?
Okay. We're gonna try another creek crossing. We're not going backwards.
No, we're not going backwards. We ended up on a different trail than the one that we started out on, which was supposed to be a loop but isn't. So, not exactly going according to plan. A little longer walk than we expected, but alright.
I'm still having fun.
It's not like it's a huge park, so even if we're taking the long route all the way around, which I think that we are, it's still not that bad.
Park. Okay. Overlook. Park entrance.
We need to go that way.
I think we need to go towards. It's not the park entrance that we went into, but I think it's one that we have to go to. So we're down a little bit low, up hills on both sides of us. As you can see, it's icy down here. The air is much more still.
The
And
water is very frozen. Oh, dry. It's dry.
yeah, it's dry.
I thought there was water, but it's dry.
I think that this is the dry creek bed crossing.
It must be that there was that other creek was attached somewhere else. I mean, obviously, because this is dry. I'm gonna walk right through the creek.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, it was a creaky tree.
Okay, let's not die by a creaky tree. Don't fall on me. Please.
Oh, mossy.
Mossy. Shoreview Park, Krista, 0.3 miles. Oh man, creaky sounds, not my favorite. Sun's peeking through the trees. It's kind of a cool shot, don't you think? She nods her head yes.
Yes, sorry. I was looking at the map to get a feel for whether we're on the right track. I think we are.
Sweet.
I think we're in the home stretch here. And I think the sun's about to go down, so I think we should stay on the road.
Yep. Oh. So we found where we started, but we're a small bit of ways above it. But we are on a path that will lead us down to deliverance. Or into this case, a restroom. We made it back.
We made it! Adventure than we anticipated.
Yeah. Would have been nice if they had on their website called out that part of the trail had been washed out. What you gonna do?
Yeah.
But
Take the long way around, that's what you're gonna do.
yeah, take the long way around. It was a pretty good walk though.
Oh, yeah.
An hour and a half.
Yeah, that sounds about right. I mean, I wasn't exactly keeping track of the time, but that's about what it felt like.
Yeah.
And it was interesting because there's a little snow on the ground, which is pretty unusual for the Pacific Northwest, and a lot of the ground was frozen, and so it was crunchy under our feet, which was kind of fun.
Mm-hmm.
Made it a lot easier than if it was muddy.
Definitely a gorgeous park though.
Yeah, the creek was really beautiful. I always like parks that have water, so the creek was beautiful, and the little lake/pond was beautiful. Not a whole lot of wildlife, a lot of dogs.
Yeah.
A lot of people with walking their dogs or taking their dogs to the dog park.
And one lady with a cat.
And one lady with a cat.
So,
each their own.
so Krista,
Yes.
out of 10 washed out park trails.
Wait, I can't compare it to regular park trails. I have to compare it to washed out park trails.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't even know. I'm like lost
Okay.
now in our rating system.
out of 10 evergreens.
Okay.
Out of 10 evergreens,
Yes.
how would you rate Shoreview Boeing Creek Park?
For me, I would say probably a 4 or a 5, because what I look for in a park is it being by a larger body of water. And it's not in our neighborhood. We chose to adventure to a different neighborhood. So
Yeah, this is in Shoreview.
Shoreline. Yeah. Near Shoreline Community College. So there's not a lot of breathtaking views. It's more like walking through the woods. It's great for a mini hike, just an hour and a half, like mini hike. Get a little bit of exercise going. So it's great, but I appreciate parks that have a little bit more water, a little bit more options for trails, and maybe a little bit more easy to navigate trails. Although it was a fun adventure.
It was. I would give it, like, for me, I like a good up and down trail. I like variability. I like that there's like a lot of hidden water features, like the hidden lake, and there's an overlook evidently that we didn't get to. And I like hearing a creek beside while doing the type of trail. So I actually give it an 8.
Wow.
Yeah, I actually like this park.
Wow.
I like it a lot.
Impressive.
Yeah, it's good. And there's like this big open space area. Here, I'm gonna do a pan so you can see all the open space behind. Tennis courts, playground, area to play with your dog, and us. So with all that being said, if you enjoyed us, hit the subscribe button, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and hit the reminder bell so you can be alerted whenever we post a new vlog.
Yes, twice a week.
Twice
Thanks
a week.
for joining us.
Well, sometimes once a week. Most of the time,
Usually
twice a week.
if we're on our game.
If we're on our game. Get on your game.
Life sometimes gets in the way.
That's right. So from the Seattleite of Love,
Signing out.
thank you for enjoying this video. Please feel free to join us on one of our many other adventures.